Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I'm wearing headphones because this video is about headphones, and I'm a lucky camper today. I'll take these off because I sound weird when I talk and have these on. I was at this fair, computer fair, walking around talking to people, and they had made it so that when you were at some booth and you talked to someone, well, you could write you got a thingy and you could write the number that they have given you, and well, they had a draw at the very end. There was 460 something people at this fair, and there were one pair of headphones that they were giving away. Guess who won? Wow. So I get to show you the Bang & Olufsen. This is a Danish brand, so I can say this on Danish, Bang & Olufsen, which is a very high-end brand. It's the kind of high-end brands that I am too cheap to buy myself. I do actually have a Bang & Olufsen record player upstairs, but I got that one used, and I believe that it's as old as I am. So I want these headphones, and these are really high-end, awesome headphones. Active noise cancellation. They're $500 headphones. I work in noisy data centers a lot of the time. It's very noisy, and I record videos for you guys in noisy data centers, and bad sound in my videos is not really that, it's not that important because we record video in such noisy environments, and it's like racing cars with no sound. It just doesn't work. So server videos without server noise doesn't work very well, but I actually use headphones a lot. This is some very cheap Chinese one that I bought. I got the Sennheisers at work. Sennheiser MD660 something. They're really good too, I must say, but they are also very expensive. I think they're about $300 ish. I thought I can get something cheaper that might be just as good, so I got these. These was about $100, a little bit less, but they did promise that it would be noise cancellation. It's not, and it has already. I have had to tape this. I use headsets a lot because behind me here I edit video 12-14 hours a week. Yeah, that's probably about right. So I sit here at my computer with headsets on, edit video. So this is a really awesome thing because these should be really good, and definitely a big step up from these. So I think that it's safe to turn these off now. They do have some funny sounds, but yeah, it talks to me. So what I think we should have an unboxing of this box. I have just been checking them out, and B&O or Bang & Olufsen, they have 4 colors on this headset. It's the H9i active noise cancellation headphones. Awesome, really luxurious materials, surround sound, aluminium touch control. It's the bells and whistles, and this is the natural color thing. Let's go to the table and see what this is. Okay, here is the box. I have not had these out yet. They are still in the plastic wrapping. I wanted to do this video. I would never go out and use this amount of money myself. And if I did, you would also see it. So still in the plastic. And here it is. It's well, it's designed by Bang & Olufsen in Denmark, produced in China. And it's a bit of a downer right there that they don't make them here, but they designed them, and they have everything is made in China by now, but they are located here in Struer. That's a bit north of here. So, but Danish company, cool. It is one of the companies that we are pretty proud of here, like Lego and Danfoss and Grundfos and B&O and yeah, Maersk. So let's open it. So, oh, here goes nothing. Yeah, plastic is broken. Hope they work. I didn't get a receipt or anything. Just one. So let's see. Oh, it's a slider. It slides open. I hope. Let's see. I might have to charge these before they will. There they are. Yeah. So this is leather. And this is aluminium. There is some plastic here. This is aluminium sliders. It goes in and out. Cool. And I have been checking them out on YouTube, and they're very flexible. You can actually just do that. So that's kind of cool. They look awesome. And these things, the ear mufflers here, you can take those off just by turning them like that. Then there are the speakers. I guess these can be replaced. That would be meaningful. There's a left and a right, like that. They're very light. I have no idea how much they weigh. I'm sure B&O will tell me that on their website. They weigh 285 grams and 295 grams including audio cable. Okay, awesome headphones. Good quality materials. Very soft leather here. I don't know if this is real leather or if it's just painted to look nice. So it fits very nicely in the box. There is cases underneath with different accessories. There should be a bag for carrying this around. Yeah, there is a storage box here. Oh, that's the thingy for the airplanes when you're flying on airplanes. That's nice. The one you get on the airplane is usually really crappy quality, so this might do a lot better. I don't think that Bang & Olufsen would cheat out on that. Way better quality. A bag to put the headphones in, maybe for some accessories. 2 layers, so I don't know, might be good. Branded little thing for closing it up. Cool. Very nice. Let's see this. The headphones charges. Oh, this is just the manual. And probably warranty stuff. So we do have Bang & Olufsen stores here in Denmark. I'm sure they would honor their warranty on their products. Can we get that down there again? Okay, there we are. And I'm hoping to see a charging cable here. We do. We have a headphone cable there, just mini jack, but in a color that matches the headphones, and also a charging cable. And this is USB-C connector, where usually it's mini USB, and this is USB-C, so that's an upgrade. USB-C is of course the one where you can flip the cable around. It goes both ways, although as this is branded, you would probably have it go that way, so that everybody can see that you have spent $500 on a pair of headphones. That's just how we are as humans. I plugged the other end into my computer. I wanted to see what happens when we put this in. Have no idea. There. Oh, it lights up here. I'm sure there is a code for how this is blinking that would indicate probably blinking is charging, and my best guess is that it would go green when it's done, but that's just a guess. There should be a batteries in one of these compartments. I believe it's over here. Come on. This is that. A replaceable battery, and I did find that you could buy extra batteries for it. It's a $50 battery, so it is kind of pricey also. Very nicely hidden away here. But I am very curious to how these sound. I'm not a big audio freak, so I have no idea how to give you an idea of how this sounds. You control the headset. This panel is touchable, and you turn it up and down by turning your finger around like this, and you can skip to the next number. I think that was this way, and you can activate or deactivate the noise cancellation by going up and down. My best guess is that, well, picking up the phone would be just pressing it. I will have to check that. So yeah, there is an on-off button here, so when you want to turn them on, you press that over and they go on, and when you want to pair them, you press the on button over to the Bluetooth here, and then they will pop up on other devices and you can pair with them. And I think we want to do that on the computer because I want to use this. Okay, that's rather weird. I just started the Bluetooth thing here so that I would be able to show it to you. I didn't go to Bluetooth, I just turned them on. So I guess that maybe I will just try that. Is that pairing or is it just seeing them? I'll try and press the button here over to the Bluetooth. So now they should be at Bluetooth device. Anything? Not really. Okay. Oh, there they are. Okay. I was just about to quit that. We're up and running. Okay. That was too easy. Okay, this is about how I look when I have them on. They have a special feature over here, the active noise cancellation. You can actually turn it on and off by swapping up and down your finger, and it will even do a mode where it records the sound out here and it plays it to you, so that it's more natural. Well, I can hear a difference. My voice is a little bit different than it is if I'm talking normally. There's some kind of a weird thing here. It sounds like it's cancelling out everything else but my noise. Also, I found that I can connect more than one device to it. I have connected it to my computer where I'll be using it for the editing. I did try it with some music here. Emma Blackery. I like Emma Blackery's music. And I can switch forth and back from hearing music, or now it's music. And up, it will cut the music and I can hear whatever is going on around me. And I can just, oh, it's up again. And music again. And up again, and I can hear everything around me, and just give it another one. Music. Then I can take my phone. Right now it's playing music. Also have Emma Blackery here. So if I press the phone here, I'll hear another number from the phone. The phone takes control over this, so that's probably a good thing. I will just cut. That's very helpful because I really want, if the phone calls, I want to be able to pick up the phone. That's more important than listening to the music. At least I want to know that the phone is ringing. It would be very interesting to, if I can pick up the phone on the headset. I am not aware of this yet. I would need someone to call me to try that. So that's that's gonna be on the to-do list. I am a really lucky camper. This is a really high-end and very expensive headset, and I just won it. So for a little while, I will probably not be able to say that I never win anything, because I just won this. This was pretty cool. I also got to drive Audi R8 around a convertible at the same fair, but that was because Fujitsu thought that I needed to drive in one of those, and that was pretty cool. So I got to drive it myself. Automatic gear and everything. I am not used to that, but it was pretty awesome. It makes a lot of noise. These are gonna be used for editing a lot of video, and I am so thankful. This is such a great thing, getting this kind of quality headphones for my video editing. Sitting here hours on end listening to myself. Yeah. That's gonna be awesome. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.